Brian Sensei here. Have you ever been in a situation where you have a PDF file that you want to edit, but you can't? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a PDF file and convert it to Microsoft Word so that you can have complete freedom to modify the document. Let's check it out. Okay, so in this example, I have a PDF document that I need to edit. I was unable to find my original Word version of the file, so I'll need to somehow figure out how to edit this PDF file. Let's go ahead and open it and take a look. So you can see here that this is a flyer that I had created to promote my School of Rock. Now, I can't really fully edit this document unless I have a paid version of a PDF editor. So what I'm going to do is convert this from PDF to a Word format. Here's how it works. I'm going to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word. All right, and in here, instead of starting a blank document, I'm going to go here to open a document. And I'll be able to navigate to the directory where my PDF flyer exists. It's right here. And yes, you can open a PDF file into Microsoft Word. I'll go ahead and click on it. And boom shakalaka, the file has now been converted to Microsoft Word format. All right, I'm going to put these documents side by side because you will notice that there are a couple of flaws that have occurred in the conversion process. So I've got my PDF on the left, my original PDF here. And here I'll take my Word document to show that on the right. So as we look at this side by side, I see that, the banner's fine. That came through just fine. This opening paragraph is just fine. I can freely edit this and make changes. As I scroll down though here, I'm noticing a little bit of a problem here with a couple of words in this heading. So that's supposed to read explore your hidden. So I'm going to click on explore here and we'll figure out what happened. First of all, the spelling is off, but notice that it created a little text box here, which is a little bit odd. So I'm going to fix this by going ahead and deleting this text box. And let's see, we've got another one here. So it looks like a lot of these words came in and got placed into additional text boxes, which I don't need. So I'm going to go ahead and clear these out. And here we're going to go ahead and expand this one. Now I just have one text box I can work with. That's a lot easier. And so I'll go ahead and retype explore your hidden skills. All right, there we go. Something else you'll notice is that the font type is not quite the same. So just a heads up, as you do this, it may not carry over the fonts, but you can go ahead and obviously select your text and make those changes. All right, over here on the right, I see this paragraph. We also have something we need to fix here. It looks like a space was deleted between stage and presence, or actually that's supposed to have a hyphen in between it. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that hyphen. Okay, another change I'm noticing is down here in this bullet list, it is aligned to the center, whereas the original has everything aligned to the left. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this list, and I'll go up and select Align Left. All right, that's looking better. You'll also notice that my little emojis did not get pulled over into the Word document either, so I'll need to manually add those. And if you don't know how to add emojis, all you have to do is press the Windows key and press period on your keyboard. This will bring up your emoji search box. And you can select on your emoji and get it added to the document. All right, and that is how you can convert a PDF into a Word document and freely edit. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.